The unfortunate fact is that far too many Muslims get caught up in the plague of foodstagramming and post syndrome. You know, when you have to post and make a post out of every moment in your life. A frightening behavior to see, especially during the month of Ramadan. Posting visually appealing and appetizing images of food may appear harmless on the surface, but for some Muslims it has evolved into a ritual, much like the salah, where no day is complete without it. Detoxification is hardly encouraged in our online culture. Instead, it feeds a culture of excess by glamorizing gluttony via the continual exposure and distribution. That is why if you're looking around the dinner table at Iftar time, there are two types of people. Those who swiftly take out their phones to take a picture of what they're about to eat to show off on social media. And then there are those who make the most of every last second to make dua before Iftar and to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the blessings of food and nourishment. The question is, which one of those two are you? Find out more at mrdf.co.uk.